Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the dynamic pivot. In the last video we have seen about how to do and how to use that one pivot operators, and today we will check then how to do that dynamic pivots. First we'll create that pivot operator, and we'll look at where we need to change to make a dynamic. So this one is the table that user stores. Let's see the data. Just write the query, select statement, and you can see that the records that it's coming in that row format. So then in the week we are going to change to make it dynamic. This one because in the last video we have seen, and now I'm going to write that pivot. So first we have to write like a select statement, like a user dot stores this one, and make a bracket inside of the bracket. Inside on this one, and here write a star from, and write a alias like a s, then pivot, then again the sum of that particular column. The sum of is that here is that store number is that, and week, and then count. So we'll make that the sum of that count, then for, and then store week in like 1 and 2 and 3. Yes. Now check the result. This one. Select that and execute. Now you are seeing. But here you can see here we are hard coding that one, 2, 3. And if I'll write that 4, because the 4 was there, and 4, some 4 will come. Then 4 will come. Like, but it's a hard coded, because here if that 5 will come, that if you will look the data that make a select statement. If the store number 5 will added, then how you have to write here, you have to change that one, you have to write like a 5 this way. So now in this video we will look that one without a hard coding how we will do. So we will create the dynamic. First what, right, create a variable that will be the column name, and varchar max, and then one query SQL 5. We'll create two variable, which will be max. Okay, so now write collapse function, collapse function, and then at the rate column name plus, and plus that the name of a column plus from table name is your store. But here we need to modify something, just to make a bracket plus, and you have to make a bracket. Okay. Now we'll see that what data is coming. It will concat that row value to column value, one column. Just check what data is coming. So sorry, this one need to convert, because this one is an integer, so you need to convert that varchar like that. Just check. So what it's a repeating the data. So what you need to do, you have to make it group by, or you can use that distinct operator also, group by week. So now here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 data is coming. Right? That particular that this one is that column. So now how to create that dynamic? So just intent that one, or write that one query set query and equal to, make a string this one, this to the here you have to make a string. So need to change this value here, that 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, so you need to change here this way. The same way you have to do here, select star is not required, make a find a plus on this one, and one more thing you need to add here, that is store number. So you can write in store number. That's you need to change and just execute that one. Execute SQL query. Just delete this one. Now check or something is problem. Only you need to write here. Just make it this one. Now execute. Now you can see that data is coming. This particular. So what will happen if you will add some data here, like edit and copy some data, like fourth record. Now I am going to add one more week, that is the fifth of week. Just execute. So I will add here 5. Okay. So 5 I have added. Now going to execute this one. So see here I am not going to add here that 5. It's automatically it's added. Now I will execute. See that 5th number came automatically. So now if we are going to use a dynamic pivot, so no need to add that column and then to make a hard coded column name here. So automatically it will be added. So same other, if you want to add 6 way, here you can add the 6. So automatically it will be displayed that fifth is here, then one more is added 6. So you can see here the 6th number is added. So change the data. If it's okay, so change the data and you will see here now it's coming the dynamic. One more way to execute this one is that delete this one. Right here sp underscore execute SQL. Something executes. Sorry, here it's executs. So execute SQL. So that's you have to write here and you can execute. So that is in dynamic way, store number. So what we have done, here we use that a collapse function, so that I'm concatenating that one, that particular week, and just adding that one. So it will be that a column name. So it will come like a bracket with column name, this one. So just I'm replacing that one, that column name, to that where we are doing hard coding data. So that's I'm adding that one here, that store number and that column. That's and execute SQL. Just execute that one and you will get the data. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.